As we head into the 2022 spring market, here's what you should know. This is a great time to be a seller. Inventory is incredibly low. That means there are lots of buyers, and there aren't very many houses for them to buy. This is leading to multiple offers on the most desirable homes and is driving prices higher. Homes are selling quickly, and buyers aren't as picky. Interest rates are starting to go up from historic lows. Throughout 2021, buyers were qualifying for loans at 3% interest or sometimes even less. But that's about to change. The Federal Reserve has signaled it is going to slowly raise interest rates throughout the year to help curb inflation. The lower the interest rate, the more buying power you have. In other words, you can buy a bigger house for a lower monthly payment. As interest rates rise, to stay at that same monthly payment, the size of the house you can afford is going to get smaller. As a buyer, it makes sense to buy now rather than to wait because in the future, your money won't go as far. Cash is still king. In a multiple offer situation, cash buyers clearly have an advantage and are likely to win. It's pretty hard for a seller to say no to cash, no contingencies. The vast majority of buyers are going to get a mortgage. Lenders are processing loans, but over the past 6 months, I've seen some delays. To ensure that your mortgage closes on time, make sure your documents are in order and that you get them turned in as quickly as possible. I prefer it when my clients use a local lender. I have no control over an internet lender. A local lender is going to be easier to get a hold of and is usually more responsive. Local lenders want to keep their clients happy and they want to keep my referral business, making them far more likely to get a loan closed on time. Appraisals are another issue. With housing prices rising rapidly and multiple offers driving prices higher, I'm having more problems than ever before with houses that are not appraising. And this is an issue for both buyers and sellers. If a property doesn't appraise, I either have to renegotiate the deal or the buyer has to make up the difference between the appraised price and the purchase price. And sometimes the buyer can't afford to do that. This should be a cautionary tale for sellers to be realistic when it comes to pricing and, if possible, to choose an offer from a financially strong buyer. Here's the bottom line. I think that 2022 is going to be a good year for both buyers and sellers. Sellers will get great deals on their homes and buyers will get in before interest rates rise dramatically. Best of luck and happy house hunting. I'm Robin Taylor, and this is Real Estate Done Right.